I was hunting for a small, simple three-hand movement watch on AliExpress, and I came across this one. This is the Addiesdive AD2030, a watch that I saw on thumbnails in YouTube videos, but it never caught my attention. Being the degenerate watch addict that I am, I purchased it and here it is. But this is not the first time I feature a Addiesdive watch in my channel. Last year, I reviewed the Addiesdive HQ 2QZ, and I was really happy with what it offered for a sub 30 USD watch. But this one is around 50 USD. So is it any good? As usual, links in the video description in case you are interested in picking one up for yourself. The Addiesdive AD2030 is a quartz watch featuring the Seiko VH31 movement. This is a 2-jewel mica quartz movement with a beat rate of 14,400 beats per hour or 2 Hz. It has a sweep similar to mechanical watches, but less smooth than the 21,000 bhp that the NH35 offers, for example. It is a very good movement with the mechanical watch sweep and an accuracy of plus or minus 15 seconds per month. The watch case is made of stainless steel, with polishing on the sides and the bezel, and brushing on the case top. The screw-down crown is signed with the Addiesdive logo, and the same logo can be found on the screw-down case back, under the AR-coated and domed hardlex crystal, which is a fancy name for mineral glass. We can see the beautiful blue dial. It is supposed to look like sand dunes, but it's a bit difficult to spot on this light blue variant. This watch comes in 3 variants, by the way: blue, white and brown. We have polished silver applied indices and a black printed outside chapter ring. The minute and hour hands are sword style, and they are also brushed to match the indices. Just like the minute hand, the second needle hand reaches all the way to the outside chapter ring, which helps a lot with legibility. Above the pinion, we have the Addiesdive logo and brand name printed in black, and below it is Deep Sea Hunter 100 meters, also printed in black. The combination of the light blue dial and the domed hardlex crystal makes the watch face stand out and seem more expensive than what it is. The bracelet is a brushed 3-link stainless steel sized with push pins. It has negative end links, measures 19mm at the lug and tapers all the way down to 16mm before the clasp, where it goes back up to 18mm. For the price of the watch, the bracelet is surprisingly good, and the milled clasp adds even more to the overall feel of it. The signed clasp also features 5 micro adjustment holes, which should help size the watch to fit. Talking about fit, I have a 6¼ inch wrist, and this watch wears great for me. I love its small 36mm case with 46mm lug to lug. The 12mm case thickness makes this watch wear great under the cuff. It's definitely a classy looking watch, and its timeless design is what makes it even more special. I really love the overall feel of the watch, how it looks, the build quality considering the price. It is very difficult to find such features in a watch at this price point. The dial looks clean, the finishing is impressive, the bracelet is good. But I still have a few complaints. I do not like the Addiesdive logo. It looks childish, even more so on such a classy looking watch. I saw that Addiesdive changed the logo by sticking with the brand name only, and I think that's better. I also don't like that the writing on the dial is printed in black. I would have preferred it to be applied in silver, just like the indices. I know that might raise the price, but it will be worth it. Lastly, watch brands need to drop the 19mm lug width. It just limits the options in terms of swapping straps. Thankfully, the bracelet on this watch is very capable. Is this watch worth 55 USD price tag? I believe it is 100% worth it. If you have a small wrist and want something that will definitely fit, or you're just a fan of small watches, you can't go wrong with this one. If you are still watching, I got something for you. Once the channel hits 1000 subscribers, I will give away one of my favorite watches of all time, a brand new Casio G-Shock GWM5016U. All you need to enter the giveaway is to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the video description. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for the winner announcement date. Also, please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. It really helps me know which watch types and brands you guys like to see in my channel. In the meantime, I'll leave you with 2 of my all-time favorite AliExpress watches. I'm sure you will love them. Thank you so much for watching.